The world's richest leaders. Power comes in many forms, either it is in the form of position, money, or leadership. And when you literally make the rules, then how wealthy can you possibly get? It is beyond our imaginations. It's no surprise that many people in the world are incredibly rich. Some of them are born with silver spoon, some earn it and others steal it. They are so much insane wealthy which gives them ability to buy things beyond our dreams. And when we mix insane record breaking wealth with a position of leadership, then there are fortunate few who are more powerful because they have both of them. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video we are going to check out the richest leaders in the world and what they have bought with it. So let's get started and dive into the details. Number 5. Kim Jong-un. Kim's leadership adopted the same cult of personality as his grandparents and his father. In 2014, the UNHRC study stated that Kim might be charged with crime against humanity. He ordered the purge and execution of a number of North Korean officials. He is also generally suspected to have commanded the assassination of his half-brother, Kim Jong-nam, in Malaysia in 2017 for the Fortune. It is estimated that Kim has $5 billion in secret bank accounts around the globe. Number 4. Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. It's not anymore a secret that rulers of Middle Eastern countries are far more rich than our imaginations. Special thanks to the economy based on oil reservoirs. But among them, there are few leaders in the Middle East that are richer than the most. Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan is the president of UAE and Emir of Abu Dhabi, and the estimated fortune is around $18 billion. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed is also the Supreme Commander of UAE Forces, Chairman of Supreme Petroleum Council, and Chairman of Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. So he has so much positions and authorities in his hand. Now you can imagine that person with this much authority must have plenty of wealth in his hands, maybe in billions. The Supreme Petroleum Council and Investment Authority of Dubai has control over millions of dollars in assets. And interestingly, these $18 billion does not include the fortune of a family, which is passed down to his family for generations in total. The total worth of his whole family is estimated to be $150 billion. I think that is the GDP of many countries. One more interesting fact about Sheikh Al Nahyan is that in London alone, he has 140 properties, which includes bars, mansion, historical buildings, and many more. And you can imagine his wealth from his mansion in Spain as well, where he didn't go in 17 years. But everything is new, well maintained, and plastic wrapped. Even the kitchen appliances. The master bed has never been slept on, despite the property has full-time staff of 15 people who wash the sheets weekly and the unused towels, which have never been used in 17 years. The last person to visit the property was the Sheikh's son, who arrived and said that the property is so much quiet and left without sleeping overnight. The total estimated cost for paying staff to keep this mansion clean and tidy is staggering $450,000 per year. I mean that huge amount which is spent on a mansion where he has never gone in his entire life. What a luxury life he is living. There is another property in London Southwest which is $5 million. When he bought the property, then he thought that it is too small for him and his staff as well. So he tried to purchase a nearby property, but the neighbors refused to sell their property. So now he is unable to expand his home, and as a result he didn't use this property as well. I think we should move on to the next number, because if I continue to explain the luxuries of Sheikh Al Nahyan, then there is so much to tell that I can make a separate exclusive video for him. So let's move on and check out the next leader. Number 3. Hassan al-Bolkiah. The world's second longest reigning crowned monarch after Queen Elizabeth II, Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah of Brunei is also the second wealthiest royal in the world, with an estimated net worth of $28 billion. He is Sultan as well as the Prime Minister of his state since 1967, which gives him an honor of one of the last monarchs serving as both Sultan and Prime Minister. and he is currently the 29th member of his family to serve as Sultan. He has been ranked amongst the wealthiest people in the world in 2008 with $28 billion, which is far more than the total GDP of his own state. He is also famous for absurd spending along with his brother, and they have been reported spending on clothes, yachts, casinos, and traveling. He has his own private zoo which has 30 Bengal tigers, along with dozens of other animals that are trained to showcase their talent when world leaders are visiting there. His own palace is estimated to be worth $600 million, with a whopping 1,778 numbers of rooms, 57 bathrooms, 2 mosques, 5 pools, banquet hall with a capacity of 5,000 people. And it is also rumored that this palace has occupied the space of over 50 acres. The carpet in this palace have gold woven into them. Marble is from Italy and walls are decorated from expensive paintings of famous painters. Sultan is very fond of cars, and he is well known for his car collection, which is estimated to $4 billion, including 500 Rolls-Royce vehicles, 5 McLaren F1, dozens of Ferraris which are part of his 500 car collection other than the Rolls-Royce. And if he wants to travel in the sky, then he has one of the most expensive private jets in the world, worth $520 million, with a basin and interior of gold. On his 50th year of ruling celebrations, one of the party cost $26 million, and he even paid Michael Jackson $40 million to perform for his special private guests. Number 2. Roma X. It is now the number of king's wealth discussion. King and queen are closely related to wealth. This is what we are hearing from our ancestors. So it shouldn't be a surprise to watch a king as the second wealthiest ruler in the world. Rama X is the king of Thailand with a fortune estimated to $30 billion. His family has been in power for decades and he is on number 10th, inheriting the power. So that's why he is also known as Rama X. When he took over, all the assets and money of his family were assigned to him. Then he merged all the family assets with his own properties. Thailand's royal family, compared to the constantly spotlighted British monarchy, is extremely secretive. The country has strict laws that forbid citizens and the Thai press from reporting on details about the family. He is living a lavish life and you can see it by its various actions. After the death of his dog, he arranged a 4-day funeral, which cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. And his coronation process was 6.5 hours long, costing $31 million. He travels back and forth on his privately owned jet and rarely can be seen in Thailand. He has various expensive jewels and diamonds in possession, which are transferred from his family's wealth. Number 1. Vladimir Putin. And here comes the number 1 and most richest leader in the world. Russian president and most influential figure between 2013 and 16, Vladimir Putin. He is very secretive regarding his finances, so no one exactly knows how much billions he has. It's been hard to prove Putin's net worth, but some clues have shed some light on how much he could be worth. He has been seen wearing expensive clothes and watches. Additionally, a $1 billion palace on Russia's Black Sea reportedly built for Putin's personal use. He is also spotted partying on a $1.2 billion private yacht and estimated to own at least 15 private jets, which are lavishly decorated. His total estimation varies from $40 billion to a whopping $200 billion, and some experts have claimed that he might be the richest person on earth, leaving Jeff Bezos behind. So that's it for today's video of wealthiest leaders in the world. What do you think? How will they spend their billions in the future? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more luxury videos like this. And if you have any video ideas, leave it in the comment below. I'll surely consider it. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.